Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to achieve this effect within Canva. So you can see here some of the letters are in hollow and some of the letters are non-hollow. How do we achieve this effect of text within Canva? We'll see in this video. So first thing is, let's go over to Canva here and we'll go to custom size, and I'll set the size as 1280 by 720 pixel here, and then we'll click on create new design. Once I do that, I'm going to change the color of the canvas to this color. You can choose your color of choice here, it doesn't matter. And then we'll drop a text onto the screen, and we'll call this as hi. You can call it whatever you want, but I'm choosing hi as the letter. And then I'm also going to change the font from Gagaline to Canva Sans. So I'm going to go ahead and change it and increase the size of these letters here. And then I'm going to just click on duplicate here. You can see here, this is the duplicate, and I have two different hi on the screen now. There is one hi like this and there's another hi. I'm going to choose one of this and I'm going to add an effect of hollow on top of it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add this hollow effect. So now I have if you go to the position and if you look at the layers, I have this hollow layer on the top, which is high in the hollow manner, and then it is the non-hollow, and then you have is the background. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stack them on top of each other like this. Okay, so this is I'm going to do. So I've stacked high on top of the other high, and then I'll go ahead and add an element onto this and change the color of this element to match the color of your background. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and change it to the same color as that of the background, and then I'm going to send this element only to the backward, not all the way to the back, but if you go to the layers, if you select this and go to the layers, I'm only going to send this in between the two styles. Okay, so high is the hollow and the other high, and in between I have added an element of the same color as the background. Now you can select this and you can move it the way you want it, whichever you want to be in the hollow shape. So by changing it, this is how it looks like. So this is the effect that you can achieve in Canva. Isn't it pretty? So you have this effect, you can download this, and it's a very simple effect to achieve within Canva. So we added two different types of text. One was with the hollow effect and the other one did not have the hollow effect, and in between them we added another layer of the same background color, and that's how you achieve this effect. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Thank you very much.